Hello, I'm Dee Woolridge, award-winning author, international speaker, and success coach. I'm also a certified clinical hypnotherapist. And a common question I get is, can a hypnotist make me do something I don't want to do? The answer is no. All hypnosis is actually self-hypnosis. You are allowing the hypnotherapist to guide you into your deeper and broader memory and other resources. Since it is a 100% consent state, no one can hypnotize you against your will. You are free to reject and receive any suggestions at any time. If you'd like more information, you can find it on my website. I'm Dee Woolridge, author, speaker, coach, and certified clinical hypnotherapist.